I'm going to show you how to use a locker system in a train station in the Netherlands. So as you can see, there are lots of lockers in every station in the Netherlands. I'm going to show you how we can use these lockers using our cards, our credit cards or debit cards, and also to deposit, to put our bags in it. I will show you step by step how we can do that. Here is the screen where you can first go and change the language from Dutch to English or any other language. We press English. There are 23 available lockers at this moment. Here there is information about deposit and information about the pickup and the prices and help. First, the information about the deposit. You can deposit the luggage and then keep the first step is to deposit the luggage, then keep the locker closed and then make your payment, and finally you will receive a ticket. We go back. Info about the pickup of the luggage after being deposited. You first scan your ticket and the locker opens and we pick up the luggage. Or if the QR code does not work, we enter the code manually. That's the information how it works. And about the prices. For a small locker, it's 4 euros for the first 24 hours. After 24 hours to 72 hours, 1 to 3 days, it's 2 euros additional, total 6 euros. For more than 3 days, it's 8 euros. If a ticket is lost, you have to pay 10 euros. And if your baggage is in custody, you have to pay 70 euros. We go back. And if it's a big luggage, we can go further to another system. And there is always the help button about the QR code. And you can press on duration. And the maximum rental period is 72 hours. After which your luggage will be removed. And support. You can call the customer service which is in this station if there is any problem with a locker. And these are the opening hours, Monday to Sunday, 6 in the morning to 12 in the night. So now we are going to operate it and see how it works. These are the lockers we have. So first of all, we open the locker and I put my bag there. This is my bag. And you close the locker and you get a period. You lock it because it's red, and you are going to pay it now with your card. Now I'm going to pay it with my card. And my payment was approved. So I will be getting a ticket. My ticket will be here. This will be my ticket. And I'm going to get it. Now I'm going to get my baggage again. I'm going to scan the ticket and it opened. The red one became green. So here I get my baggage again and close it, and it's green. So the process is very easy. You have to get the ticket, and this is my ticket again. You got the ticket, and because of the ticket you got the baggage. So I will repeat it. Open the baggage, open the locker, put your baggage in, and lock the baggage by lock the locker by pushing it, and then you pay it by your card, and you will get a ticket, and you will get a ticket with a QR code. And when you are finished before 72 hours, you scan the ticket again here, and then it will automatically open the relevant locker. The relevant locker number will be mentioned here in the ticket. Here.